Good evening, viewers. Tonight we delve into a seismic shift in global alliance as India causes up to Japan. The once unbreakable bond with the United States frays like a cheap dollar store tie. But let's be honest, hasn't Uncle Sam been overdue for a reality check? Join me as we unpack why America friendship feels more like a fair weather fling. For decades, the US has paraded as India's knight in shining armor, pumping in billions for defense deals, tech infrastructure, and tech transfer, and that's so gorgeous, a strategic partnership. But scratch the surface, and what do you find? A superpower that's all take, no give. Remember, that's H-1B visa crackdown. Thousands of brilliant Indian minds, the backbone of Silicon Valley, treated like second-class coders. Build the America dream, they say, while slamming the door on ours. And let's talk tariff. The US slapped duties on Indian steel and aluminium, crying national security while flooding our market with their subsidized junk. Hypocrisy march. They preach free trade but play protectionist poker. No wonder India's exports to the US have been squeezed tighter than a budget airline seat. Then there is the foreign policy flip flop. 1 minute they are arming Pakistan, our neighborhood bully, with F 16 and 8 packages. The next they are lecturing India on human rights while ignoring their own backyard messes. Kashmir, none of their business. America, but hey, feel bro to drone strike wedding in the Middle East and call it precision. The US treat allies like disposable tissue. For the Cold War sniffles, then toss, then China the new flu. India deserve partner who respect our sovereignty, not ones who spy on our leaders via NSA leak. Japan, they are investing in a bullet train, AI, and green energy without the string attached. No wonder Modi is smiling eastward. Speaking of Japan, let's contrast Tokyo all about mutual respect. No arm twisting for regime change or endless war. They have got our back on the quad without turning it into a US puppet show. Meanwhile, America drowning in that election chaos and isolationist rents. America first, more like America only, leaving allies like India to fend ourselves against Chinese aggression. A wolf Uncle Sam arm wrestling a smaller India figure but getting distracted by his phone. Japan step into a offering high five. The strain isn't a policy, it's a cultural Hollywood paint India as slums and snake charmers while ignoring our moon mission and tech unicorns. Time to ditch the yak dolls and embrace the samurai spirit. India pivot Japan isn't a betrayal, it's evolution. The US had its chance to be a true partner, but ego and inconsistency blew it. As ties strain, perhaps it's time for Washington to reflect. Alliance aren't one way streets, they are highway, and India is accelerating towards reliability. What do you think, viewers? Dude, us our take and good night.